Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make logo on Figma updated. Create an artboard and set dimensions that match your intended use. Start with basic shapes and test variations using the rectangle, ellipse, and pen tools. Apply color and typography choices early to see context. Use layers and groups to stay organized as you iterate. Save iterations frequently. Refine your logo by exploring combinations of shapes and stroke styles in a relaxed way that supports creativity. Nudge points with arrow keys and use smart guides for precise alignment so everything feels intentional. Adjust corner radii and stroke widths to improve silhouette at small sizes. Test monochrome and reversed versions to ensure legibility across different backgrounds and scales. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you design with the Oala water bottle. It slips into cup holders and won't spill during deep focus sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a reliable bottle at your desk. Now let's get back to the video. Prepare files for use by exporting SVGs for scalability and PNGs for quick previews, ensuring correct export settings for resolution and background. Build components and variants for horizontal, stacked, and icon-only versions to simplify application. Define color styles and text styles in the file so teammates apply the same visual rules. Keep a version history to track changes and restore earlier concepts when needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.